Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious enchiladas rojas. So in case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so we're going to begin by making our sauce. In a small pot, we're going to add 8 New Mexico guajillo chile pods. Make sure that you clean them. Along with 1 chile ancho, 5 chile de arbol, and a quarter of a small white onion. We're going to cover them with water. Set it on medium-high heat and bring them to a boil. Okay, so once our chiles come to a boil, we're going to turn it off and transfer everything to our blender cup. And once we have that, now we can get ready to blend. To a blender cup, we're also going to add 2 garlic cloves, a half a teaspoon of whole black pepper, a half a teaspoon of oregano, a quarter teaspoon of whole cumin, and salt, along with 3 cups of water. And now we're just going to blend until we have a smooth sauce. Okay, and once we have our sauce, now we can get our stuffing ready. Okay, so I'm going to be stuffing my enchiladas with potatoes and cheese. Here I'm going to crumble my queso fresco. And I'm going to mix some onion. Okay, so I'm just going to mix it. Okay, so now we're just going to set it to the side. And over here, I already boiled my potatoes for about 45 minutes. I peeled them and allowed them to cool down. So now I'm just going to smash them down. Okay, and I'm just going to season my potatoes with a little garlic salt and black pepper. And to that, we're going to add 1/4 cup of our red salsa or enchilada sauce. I'm going to mix it and also add queso Oaxaca or your favorite melting cheese. Okay, so once we have our filling ready, now we can move on to frying our sauce. Okay, so for our sauce, we're going to grab a frying pan, set it on medium heat, add a little bit of oil, and allow it to heat up. And once it heats up, we're going to add our sauce. Strain if you need to. Going to add a little water to my blender cup. Okay, so just mix it. And we're going to bring it to a simmer. Okay, so once the sauce comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you want to add any more. Now we're just going to reduce the heat to the lowest setting and allow it to continue simmering for about 5 more minutes. Alrighty, so after 5 minutes, our enchilada sauce is ready. And you want it to be not too thick, but not too thin, just like this. And now we're just going to set it to the side so we can make our enchiladas. Okay, so now I'm just going to get my comal ready. I'm going to set it on medium heat and cover it with oil. And there's 2 ways to make your enchiladas. You either fry the tortilla first and then dip it to that sauce, or do it how I'm going to do it today. So we're going to grab a tortilla, dip it in the sauce, and then fry it. And fry it for 30 seconds before flipping it to the other side. After 30 seconds, flip it over and give it another 30 seconds. Okay, and after 30 seconds, we're going to remove it from the comal. Add our filling, queso fresco, and roll it. Just like that. Alrighty guys, and once we have all of our enchiladas, now we can get ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So of course, you can serve your enchiladas with some rice and beans. Today we're going to keep them simple, just top them with some lettuce and all of the good stuff. But let me just add my enchiladas there. Going to add a little lettuce. Some more queso fresco, and because I love onion, so we have to add a little extra. And lastly, our crema mexicana. But just like that, now we are ready to enjoy our delicious red enchiladas. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I am so ready. I love enchiladas, especially these ones. So I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it just as much. They're seriously super delicious. This is my grandma's recipe and I will forever treasure it. So cheers and enjoy. Fun fact, when I was younger, I used to look forward to coming home from school when I knew my mom was gonna make enchiladas because it was the best. I would just get home, take off my backpack, run to the kitchen, grab an enchilada and just eat it like that. Nothing, on top, nothing to the side, just like that. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious enchiladas rojas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.